YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. This will work for both the Racer regular model as well as the Racer LS. Stay tuned as we dive right in. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we have another quick fix video for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. This will also work for the Racer LS model. For today's video, we actually want to show you guys how to get the bottom part of this cleaner off, which gives you access in there to the actual LED lights located on each side of the cleaner here towards the bottom. You guys can actually see the different LEDs. There's one here and there is one located on the other side. Really cool feature that Pentair put into their cleaner. It's all Venturi powered, so as the cleaner's running during the night cycle, obviously it lights up those lights so you can actually watch this thing kind of race around the bottom of your pool. So first thing you guys need to do is you will want to remove the scrubber assembly, the wheels, get it down to where we actually have it right now. So if you guys need to know how to do that, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a playlist that'll walk you guys through removing everything from the outside in. Once you guys get everything removed and you're down to basically where we are right now, next step you're gonna do is go ahead and take this thing away from the pool, get it to a table. You don't wanna lose the screws that are gonna end up starting to come off of this thing, and you don't wanna have to fish those out of the water. So get away from the water for it, and then go ahead and flip it over so that you actually have it on the actual sitting on the top of the cleaner. So the only tool that you're going to need for this is you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. There are 3 Phillips head screws located on the bottom of the cleaner. As I had said, you guys want to make sure that you guys strip down this cleaner to where we are right now, because 2 of the screw holes are actually located in the front roller scrubber assembly here. So you guys do need to remove the actual scrubber in order to get access to these screw holes. The 3rd screw hole is actually located towards the back of the cleaner up here at the top. That's going to give you full access to take apart the entire blue part on the bottom here of the cleaner. So go ahead and start unscrewing these screws. Always use hand tools. Do not ever use power tools when you're dealing with plastic. You guys take the chance and you guys strip one of these screws out, or if you over tighten it and you crack it, it can be a much more costly expense that you guys don't want to deal with. So the top screw, you guys can go ahead, pull out, set off to the side. It's actually a smaller Phillips screw. You guys can see once I get the other 2 out, the difference in the size in order to grab. So it is important to make sure you guys kind of label them or set them off so that when you do put everything back together, you guys know how it's actually going to screw correctly onto the frame. So once you get these 2 located by the scrubber loosened up, you're just going to kind of wiggle the frame off. This is a new cleaner. Depending on how long you guys have actually had yours in the pool, it may require same kind of force just to kind of play with it to get it off. There's a lip located here on the back end of the cleaner that actually feeds underneath another part of the frame. So when you lift up from the front, you're just going to kind of have to slide it forward in order to be able to get this part off. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. And as you guys can see here, once you guys open it up, because this is the model that has the LED lights, you guys are kind of held on by the cords of the lights itself. So if you guys need to replace just the bottom, make sure you guys check out our other video. We're actually going to tear these things out, kind of show you guys some tips on it, and then go ahead and plug those back in before you guys actually put this back onto the cleaner. So if this is cracked, if there's issues with it, specifically right here towards the front with the scrubber, it is important that you guys make sure you replace this, because it will cause an issue with water getting into the cleaner and getting into some of these gearboxes. It can cause a lot of issues. So make sure that if you guys do see any cracks on this bottom plate, that you guys go ahead and replace that. So really simple to take off, but like I said, you just want to show you guys the tips of having to get the scrubber removed in order to get access to this. And make sure you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. We're going to dive in and actually start working in on all the internals of this cleaner. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Appreciate you guys watching.